Hello guys, here in this video I will show you how to create a 10,000 NFT collection without using any code and for free. And here is my layers for my NFT collection. First you need to go to the website called mintables.club. I'll keep the link of this website in the description, and then you need to click on I'm a creator. Now let's click on add a new project. Here in the group you can name it as I'll name it as my NFT. And here within my NFT you need to add layers, and the first layer you need to add must be your base layer, which will be a background. So nose is my first layer, and then after nose I have here, and after here I have tongue. Okay, now I have created all the necessary layers. Now let's upload it. Okay, now let's upload the image. For this I'll upload nose and drag and drop here, and I can see the black color. Now let's upload here. Copy all of this and drag and drop, and let's upload tongue. Copy it and drag and drop. Now let's set the rarities. Let's make green very rare with 5%, and let's make black very common. I will I will make black as 71. Here you can see green has rarity of 5%, and red with 12%, black 71, and blue 12%. As you can see, I have completed setting the rarities of different layers. Now let's generate the image. To generate, let's click generate image, and here I will create only 20. To create 10,000 I will need lots of time. For this demo purpose I will select only 20. Now the generation process is complete. Now let's check the NFT. In It is always in zip file. You need to extract it, so I'll extract it. Here in untitled project I have my NFT. Let's check the images. Ooh, we can see the 20 NFT collection, and let's check the metadata. Here these are the metadatas. Now let's check if image match with metadata. Let's check the number 9. It has black hair and black nose and black tongue. Okay, let's check this with metadata. Let's check the 9. Open it. Open with notepad. Okay. As we can see, it has nose, it has value black, and here it has value of black, and tongue also it has value black. As you can see, this is a very simple process. You just need to upload your NFT layers, and this website will automatically generate it for you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.